All right, good morning, good morning. Let me put up the disclaimer really quickly. Trading is risky. Please understand that, especially futures, forex, crypto, very risky. So take a read of that. We'll put this in the thread while you guys read that. And I'm going to get my TikTok.
So anyway, that he put up with all this, but his phone is struggling.
Are you talking to me?
Oh my god, that thing is so funny.
Okay.
I was watching this thing last night and my phone died. Alright. What's funny is I think she went on Just Jen last night and that's why. Practice mode. Practice mode will be visible to you. You'll have time to explore live features. What? No, I don't want to be on practice mode. Go live. Practice mode. Well, that's kind of cute if somebody wants to practice going live. All right. The market opens in 2 minutes. Let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi. I hope everyone's having a great Friday. Really excited for today. Let's see what the market brings us. The student call was really good. If you were able to join, you kind of know the lay of the land for today. So let's get with it. Also, where are my chops at? Are we anywhere near any of these? No, we're so far away. So I'll just minimize these since we probably won't be using them. I do have Santa. Hi. I do. Please, Mike, can you share the link in the group since this is a different one? I'm going to pull up my other VPS because I have Santa. Don't I have Santa running over there? I do. All right, let me get this out of the way. I bought some more Apex accounts last night. I'm excited about that. Remember, the 90% sale is for 6 more days. Until what, next Thursday? Next Thursday, something like that. All right, cool. Cool. Good morning.
Order submitted.
Oh, the Orioles did so well last night. Oh, where are we at? Just say order submitted. Or am I hearing things? Yeah. And I'm gonna have to label this one Santa so then I can know how to get to it really quickly. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the chat. We got to share this link because this is Jen's backup and like nobody knows about it. It is 9:30. The market just opened. I've had 4 trades on the day, 2 last night with premium, both 2 for $250. And then ES overnight was 1 for 1 and NQ overnight was 1 for 1.
Order filled.
Oops, this one is actually a close.
Order filled.
And then I'm going to have to fix this.
Order filled.
Sorry. I'm doing something on the other account and I just realized that it was kind of a little off, so all right. I can turn the volume down on this one because it doesn't really matter. And then I'll keep that Santa up just for show. All right. Good morning. Hi, Rod. How are you? You're doing amazing. That's great. Hey, Tony. Good morning. So I have NQ early running live, NQ later, ES early, ES later. ES later was great yesterday. It was 1 for 1 for 500. Am I not? Oh, here it is. Over here. It just ran right up. It got long here. It pulled back, I guess, for a second and then just went to town, which is nice. One of my Apex accounts from this week is at 52,000. I just got it like a day ago. I ran it on I had it online yesterday. That's what it was. And it did well. So it was in like a $2,000 trade. It is 9:32. Market's kind of just figuring its way out. We'll have to see what happens here. Also, there's a consumer spending report at 10 o'clock, so we'll have to remember that. Today's the last day of the month. That's something I talked about on the student call, so if you're one of my students, you know what that means. Thanks, Marv. How are you? I hope you're doing well. It's been a minute. I haven't seen you on the lives. Let me check out my friends over at the YouTube. I'm gonna move this over here. Hey, Derek. Hey, Kevin. You're back. Yes. Yesterday was red and the day before. It happens. It happens. Glad you are back in the saddle. And that's the thing. With a 90% off, YouTube is always behind. Even though I have no delay on, it's always like that. It's always been like that, and I think it will always be like that. It's something YouTube does probably for like their own protection. Oh, I'm going to minimize that. How many accounts do you feel comfortable running on a single VPS? Oh, well, I typically only run one account, but I have my other VPS, I have just Apex accounts. Been here just listening. Oh, okay, cool. Most people run 10 to 20 Apex accounts on one VPS and they're fine. Some do upgrade to the $80 VPS or the
Order submitted.
or the dedicated server. ES is in a short. No, Kevin, it's really not, but okay. That you should be putting that in chat. That's exactly, it goes in chat, Kevin. This is where it goes. Chat, you click on replies, that's where it goes, not in YouTube. I'll tag you where it's supposed to go, Kevin. Every single day, there's a new chat thread, and that's where it should go. You should be posting here. This is you, right? With the salt and pepper hair. Green, 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 green day. Let's go. ES is back to entry. Yep, it's okay. That's also covered in the intro video. When you first join the group, I actually cover all of Slack. So it's crazy that I feel like people don't know, because that just means that they didn't watch the video. Because I go through every channel and I go through the day-to-day and where you should be posting. And I know, Kevin, you've been in the group for a while, so it's just kind of surprising to me.
Target filled.
So where is target filled on ES? There's no monthly fee for buying an eval account, right? So if you don't pass eval within the month, then you pay that same price again the next month, if that makes sense. TS. But getting an eval account at $17 is the best thing. Like, there's no cheaper price. So a $50,000 account, yes, Tim, ES is 1 for 1. NQ overnight was 1 for 1. ES overnight was 1 for 1. So on range only, we are 3 for 3 so far on the day. Please hit that thumbs up as you come in. There are 30 of you on YouTube and only 10 likes. Remember, I don't put commercials on anymore, just so you guys can kind of hang out and not have those interruptions. All I ask is that you hit the thumbs up. So just minimize the chat and then give a thumbs up, or rotate your phone up and down and give a thumbs up. All of that will help. Is Santa in any trades yet? Oh, no, not yet. Not yet. I'm going to keep Santa over here. But yeah, right now on Apex Trader Funding, you could get a $50,000 account for $17. I was live yesterday or last night talking about this, and yeah, it's $17 for a $50,000 account. After you pass evaluation, there's a one-time payment fee of $140, and that's for the market data, the NinjaTrader license, things like that. They just lump it all in one payment for life. Look in chat, Andon. It's in chat. Always post the live in chat. Hey, Seven. Someone always posts the live. All you guys have to do is look in announcements or chat. The link for YouTube and TikTok will always be there. Thank you, Tim, for posting that. Jen is out and about today helping her grandmother, so she's in and out.
Order submitted.
Always, Andon. Always. Oh, wait. RTY is in a trade. RTY on zones is in a trade. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. RTY is in a short here, if you see this in the top right. It's about
Target
I was
filled.
just to say it's about to hit target. Target filled on RTY. If you want more information on my auto trading algorithms or
Order
my
submitted.
digital mentorship, just email me boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'm so confused. What is that on? Lines in a trade, but oh, it's on a black. Then I feel like I didn't actually. I like it. But then I feel like I didn't, unless I was testing something last night.
Order canceled.
That's probably what it was. Hey, Blue. Oh, yeah, now it makes more sense. Well, where's Jen?
Order submitted.
Big Busta, you know I DM'd you and you didn't respond. I was like, is he seeing my DMs? Like, in the group. I know that's... Yep, for sure. Yeah, because you did it in the, Andon, you made it. But also, Andon, on TikTok, it's in the chat, and I also put it in announcements. So far, NQ night is 1 for 1, ES night is 1 for 1, ES early is 1 for 1, so that's 3 for 3 on range. Over on premium, they are 4 for 4 bold line, 2 on zones last night, and then 1 on RTY just now. Did you have to check it out? Reply, sorry. No worries. No worries. I figured as much. I'm like, oh, he's probably busy. It is Friday. It's the last day of the month. Monday will start October. Monday will start October. Santa is in... Santa's in a long... Oh, I got to change to that. There we go. Santa's in a long, $130. Let me show you guys... Oh, now it's back to even. But this is on This is on my other VPS. There's another sale on Apex. Yes, I know. I didn't think they would. And then they came out with a 7-day 90% off. So it's $17 for a $50,000 account now, which is even better. Guaranteed green on this Santa long. Where did we pull back to? 75. Hey, Mike. Thanks for the likes. All right, out of that trade. Again, that's on some of these $17 Apex accounts. I'm just kind of doing whatever. And that's kind of how I approach Apex, which probably isn't great. Hey, Blaze. Please hit a thumbs up as you come in. If you don't see the thumbs up on your YouTube, minimize the chat, and then it should be there. Oh, I didn't hit for ES. I didn't hit for ES before. I forgot. And then, if you still don't see it, rotate your phone up and down. Up and down. My name's Lauren. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, showing you my auto trading algorithms on the futures market. That is what we are trading, futures. Mostly focused on the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. But yes, Apex is doing a sale, 90% off. I feel like I'm losing my voice. I was screaming at the game last night. 90% off. Snag some more Apex to run some funky stuff, right? Listen, I totally, especially when it's an evaluation. Like if it becomes a PA account, I will be more serious. But when it's an eval and there's still 6 days left, I'm definitely going to like fuck around and have fun. You know what I mean? Like, not a big deal. Where are my students at? We need more than that. I know what I want on NQ. Do you know what you want? Let's see. Oh, Santa's in a short now. I'm gonna minimize this one. This one isn't as entertaining because it doesn't have all the fun colors. I could put the scalper Santa picture on that. We'll see what happens. That ES was a weak celebration. I know, I'm kind of tired. I didn't sleep very well. I feel like I kept hearing stuff, so I kept like jumping up. I don't know. I thought Santa was no Monday or Friday. Did I get it wrong? Oh, no, you're right. No, you're right. I forgot, and it's on a $17 Apex account. So, I don't really care. It's on a... I'm kind of hungry. Maybe I want a bagel. Remember we had the whole discussion about bagels on the West Coast? It's so funny to me to like think about things that I've never really thought about before. Bagel chat. Listen, I heard and saw some morbid stuff last night. Got woken up to animals screaming. Oh gosh. It probably didn't help that I was watching like this TikTok before I went to bed where this police officer pulled over a young boy and like his date, like, so it's a young boy and girl, they're maybe like in their 20s. He had his provisional license, so I guess he got his license late, and he got pulled over and he got a few tickets, but he wasn't like arrested. He was like reckless driving and speeding and all this stuff. And then, no joke, like 10 minutes later, it was like a fatal crash with that same guy, and the same cop showed up, so they were showing like his dash cam, and he was like so upset. Like, so sad. So sad. But, like, of course, I'm watching that as I'm, like, laying in bed. Not the best thing. Probably not the best thing for my mental. Yes, you saw that too? Yeah, crazy. Trying to get Santa going. Yeah, but it is Friday. Remember, Santa is a no Friday play, Jonathan. Adron in chat just reminded me. And he is totally correct. He is totally correct. Just until we get out of timeout, William. But make sure you follow and tap so then you have it on your roster and put the little bell icon. I seen that cop let him go with a ticket to the 20. So yeah. It's crazy, crazy. And then I was watching funny TikToks, like those people that were like scammers will call them and be like, go, do a wire transfer at Western Union or whatever. I feel like Western Union's become obsolete. Maybe not. But he's like, go to the 7-Eleven and there's a Bitcoin machine, and the guy's like acting like he has $3 million. Yeah, Jonathan, it's on the sheet. It's always been on the sheet. No Mondays, no Fridays. You guys, you gotta look at it and then put it in your label. That's what I do here. Put it in your label so it never goes away. Your label should literally say what days you shouldn't be running it. No Fridays, no Fridays, no Monday through Wednesday. Like, you should have that on your label. But now it's in a long that's green $400, so don't get mad at me, Jonathan. I'm doing it on a $17 account, so I don't really care. You know what I'm saying? It's green $800 on this long now. Is that 800 or 500? Oh my god, that was 500. Yo, my eyes are getting bad. I'm becoming an old lady. No, I looked. It took the... Yeah, I was in a short too, and then it had a loss, so now it's in the long. See? Right here, this was the short. Now I'm in a long. Oh, wait. I don't have my trail. This could be a make... Hold on. Is this the correct? Oh, it is correct. I just might want to keep an eye on it because I don't actually have my trail on it. And this is my account that's 52,000, so I definitely want to make sure I'm preserving. All right, I updated it. But you're right, I probably shouldn't have that on since it is Friday, and I didn't actually think about it either. We're all getting called out. I got called out, but that was naked, so I just closed it anyway. Results. All right, William. Dunner. Okay, Jonathan. I'm gonna have to bloop y'all in a second. I am tired today. Thankfully, I don't have anything. There's no pickleball. There's no get-togethers. Have mercy.
Order
Hit that
submitted.
thumbs up.
Target filled.
Let's go. NQ hit target. So now range is 4 for 4 on the day. NQ night, 1 for 1. Let's go through it. ES night over here, 1 for 1. NQ, ES night. Wait, 1 for 1. NQ, this was night, and then this was now. So 2, 3 for 3, and then ES early, 1 for 1. 4 for 4 on range. Let's go, baby. I wonder if that one stopped too. Oops. That's not what I meant to do. I want this one, but I want it over here. Where's my other chart? That's still in there. These people need to stop calling me about getting this piece. I will call you back. I promise. I promise. Eggs, yes. Eggs hit. So did apples, green apples. I'm like forgetting the things now. That means I passed an evaluation in 2 days. Santa yesterday and range today. Nice job, Jayhana. I'm a rebel. Santa did me nice today. You're definitely a rebel. I don't know what my overall was, but I'll go hit target. Have a great weekend. BoldBot. Remember, these are all PA accounts. He could withdraw all of this money on his next withdrawal. And he's been making like $250 every single day on all of his 15 or 13 PA accounts. Bloop, bloop, bloop. No sad face. I want BB. That. Apples, eggs. Celebration. Weekend beer. These people called me twice after yesterday. Left a message, emailed me like, I know I'm going to schedule the delivery. Please chill. Like, I guess they're on their job, so I can't be mad at them. But it's also like, okay, y'all, let me like get it together. I made 500 overnight, and now I'm at 600. Oh, because I only have one contract in all of these right now. Just because I was kind of being real chill. If I had my regular full size on ES, I would be at 900 on the day, which is what I typically do, but I just took a step back today. Last day of the month. We'll just kind of get ready for Monday, which will be quarter four, the start of quarter four. And I actually did some research last night. No, well, actually, no surprise there. But I was doing some research compared to last year in the last few weeks of September, and they were really bad too. So it seems like they really try to shake retail traders out before quarter four, which is the best, which I keep telling you guys. So get ready. Get ready. Get those $17 Apex accounts. Michael G, day one on eval accounts. Look at that font, looks really nice. How did you get that font like that? That is so appealing to my eyes. I'm going to have to DM Michael G and ask him. All right, let's do some quick blooping. Another green day for K Lavender, just waiting on bacon and waffles. Slow and steady, BoldBot for the win. Let's go. I miss Jen. Michael, 25,000 on this bottom account. I think he made $30K yesterday. He's made over $20,000 every single day this week on this one account. Like, this one account has to have like $200,000 in it now. I want to see that withdrawal ticket, Michael. I want to see that withdraw. Apple, eggs. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, showing you the auto trading algorithm. Maybe I'll even go live tonight on a Friday. It's not something we normally do, like on a Friday night, because I'm going to be home. I could do some market replay, kind of do some Santa or some pink breakdown from this week. I know pink was red yesterday, but I don't know if Irma changed it because the time frame changes on Thursdays. So I forgot to actually ask her that. BoldBots. Trust. Oh yeah, that's under trust. I haven't been using it lately. No way. Oh, look at all this. Thank you. Look at you guys. You're making my job a lot easier here. Michael's a student of mine. If you want more information on the mentorship, you should send a message to Amy or Irma. They can help you to see if that's something you want to do. All right. Let's look at the higher time frame and see what we did here. See if it aligned. No, 75 seems to be holding. And it already ran up to 40. We'll see. So, and are you doing that on live, William? Because remember we talked about that. I don't know if you've been putting out more content and actually going live or not, or if you're just doing it. I know you've been doing it like for yourself. Remember, there's a big report in 4 minutes, so it seems like that is something that is being waited on. I have to see this one over here. $43, $44, $43. I want to see what happens on this report. I don't know. The buy looks strong, but we'll see. We'll see. 3 more minutes. Look at where it might come back to on this RTY. That also helps. Did you up your contracts? No, 1 mini. ES took only one trade. Why did I get paid triple? No idea. ES only took one trade. It took a night trade and it took a early trade. No, I haven't heard anyone saying there are any Apex issues. Well, if you made 3 times as much, I wouldn't be complaining. You know, ES early only took one trade. Check your settings, Jonathan. Check your settings. Look, you've had Santa on today. You've got a triple on ES early. Oh, you checked your settings? Yeah, I don't know. You can always look in execution, the execution tab, or orders. Okay, well, just take it as a blessing. That's your Friday prize. There is 90 seconds until the report. Right. No, it can be a curse. He thinks it's like setting him up for something worse. I want to look at something. All right, the report's about to come out in 15 seconds. Let's see, let's see. I get more responses from boosted posts than stories. Oh, cool. Well, that works. I've always done best on live. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's my killer personality. Alright, the report is out. They're going to continue running up, or are we going to move it back down and then go up? We'll see. We will see. The high on ES on the day is 71.
Order filled.
Market's pushing. NQ has a level up here. Not in any trades on the algo. I am taking a manual trade with one of my $17 Apex accounts. Yeah, Lolo unscripted. Right. No, I don't even think you were on the live the other night with the gum, Jonathan, were you? I was like, what am I even doing? What am I even doing? Oh, okay. Got it. We can add that to the blooper reel. That would actually be funny. At some point, maybe I'd actually pay like a videographer or someone, maybe like once a week to come in. Well, Maybe I would go somewhere cooler than. But see, my office has all my stuff, but I'm in a closet. I was gonna say to have someone come like record me as like we trade or bits of the call or whatever, but I'm in a closet wearing pajamas. That would have to be worked out. I'm in timeout again. Did I do something? No. Must have a film crew for Vegas. Oh, for sure. I also need to follow up with security. Oh my gosh, there's this guy. No joke. He's like 6'8" and like probably 280 pounds of all muscle at the game last night. And he was security, and I'm like, I should give him my business card and see if he wants to come to Vegas and be security for me. But I didn't say anything to him. I was like, just staring from afar. You have business cards? Yes, I have business cards. I do. Because they were like real cheap. I got them when I first like started the company. I know. But like I go a lot of places where random people will just ask me, like I have a BoldBot logo like on my iPad and on my phone. So if people are like, oh, what's that? Instead of like sending them to my social media, I'll just be like, here. And I know a lot of people don't give a shit about business cards, but they were really cheap. I think, I got like freaking $700 for like $10 or something like that. The QR code, yeah. I was going to put the QR code on them, but this was after the fact. Like, I thought about it, and I was like, Tony loves a good business card. I have people in Vegas. I can find a security company there. Okay, William, cool. I think even the hotel we're using told me that part of the package I could roll in security, too. Like, that would be part of like what I could put in my package. So yeah, so I'm not really worried, but I know I definitely want to have security. So security, I'm gonna get one of those. Have you guys seen on TikTok those armed like Lyft drivers? She just drove right on past. That means no, William. Wait, what? What? No. Why would I not? I got a guy just about everywhere. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Mine have Braille on them. Has it ever been useful? No. But you never know. Tony, I love that. I love that. It's 10:04. Let's see if we can get some action here. People think I'm security. Really? I just feel like whenever I see your picture, you just look like a Major League Baseball player. You kind of remind me of that one that everybody like fantasizes over on the... What team is that guy on? Chicago? The one that like spits the seeds, and he's like, he has like a beard. Well, like a short beard, not like a full beard. I have no idea who it is, but like people are always posting him on TikTok. That's like everyone. No, he's like a Major League coach. I think it's Chicago. The Chicago Cubs spits the seeds. Now I'm going to have to find. I have no idea what his name is. I don't actually care, but I feel like that's what Big Bossa looks like from his picture. All right, we're not in any trades right here, but I am in a $600 short manually over here on ES on one of my Apex accounts. We'll see how this works out. It's just a manual short. Now 800. Now 1,000. Oh, that's good. Spits the seeds. 1,200. I'm trying to pass this eval, okay, y'all? I'm trying. 1,200 up. Now let's just keep dropping. I only need another 1,000. See if we can get back down to 58. I am yawning. I apologize. I did not sleep well last night. 1,400, 1,500 on this short. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I have to move that thing up, my target. You don't sleep. I already called my videographer, gave him a Vegas heads up. Nice. I want to see his stuff. I might as well just cancel these and just put my own. 1800. Let's go. I'm gonna pass this $17 eval today. Today, my man. Let's go. Hit that shit. I have 5 more. Listen, this is student mentorship shit, okay? This is next level. This is Vegas. This is Vegas stuff. 1500 on this short. Mike, are you in the same trade? He probably is. He's probably at 30,000 for the day now. People think I get offended when my students do better than me, and it's such a joke because it's like, what?
Order submitted.
It makes me so happy. Oh, gold is in a short. It makes me so happy when my students do better than me, or just like day over day, they're just like producing because I taught them, and that's like a big flex on me. But people think it would be something I like would be upset about or something. I'm not sure. Is this the pullback? I want to make sure I don't leave too many of these on. Securities available from the hotel. Yeah. And we won't say which one that is. But yeah, so I'm sure security will be fine. But I don't have a videographer in mind, Kyle. So that would be lovely if William can get that squared away. Lip sealed. It's months from now, but I'm going to get plenty of content. Yeah, we definitely have time. I'm just a big planner person, like in all of life. I do lots of planning. That would have been a nice place to get continuation there. How's gold? Ooh, gold is doing great. I freaking put it on Simte because I was afraid of the 8:30 reports, and I knew I wanted to sleep a little bit. But gold looks like it is doing really well here on the short for anyone that's in it on range. It's green $180.
Target filled.
Target filled on gold, $250. Gold has been every day was green except for yesterday it had a loss. Yep. Every other day has been green this week. And the risk to reward on gold is 1-to-1 essentially. It's like 0.97 to 1. So that's why I tell people gold is a good play. It's green $500 on the week. Wednesday, so if Wednesday wasn't a no, it would be 700 on the week. But still, 500 on the week. You can make 500 each week on your Apex accounts, like on one strategy. That's huge. It might be ready to go back up here. We'll see. I only have 2 left. Clearly, this is some support here at 62. Where's the GC win sound? Oh, shit. I'm sorry. I have 1 left on this ES. I'm just going to close it. Well, maybe I'll see. All right. Gold. What's NQ doing? Almost to that weekly, which I told my students about. But if you're a new student, you're not taking this. 2 hours of work. Even less than 2 hours. I'm just going to close this. Let's see how far I got. Oh, it says it here. Oh, it's only $1,700. I'm going to have $1,637. Well, it's more than halfway through. So I could take another trade this afternoon or Monday, and then I'll pass that evaluation. Then I'll just have to take 1 micro each day until the 7 days are up. Then I'll have a funded account. And then that's when I have to get serious. Serious. NQ night, 1 for 1. ES night, 1 for 1. GC range, 1 for 1. NQ early, 1 for 1. ES early, 1 for 1. Right, NQ didn't have a second one, right? No. And ES and NQ only had 1. Nice little Friday so far. It's still consolidating there. $1,600. Yeah, $1,637. Obviously, yeah, after fees and commissions, it might be more like, I don't know, $1,500. That's fine. All right, what's happening? Nothing. It's 10:15. I'm probably gonna wrap it up soon. Let's do some blooping here with our friends. So we were up here. K Lavender, Michael G, K Lavender, another Green Day, Michael, 25,000 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 30,000 total there. And in nice buffering those accounts. I love it. $150 across those. Kyle Swag, slow and steady, one trade and done. These are funded. These are evals that have hit the profit. And then these look like new evals. And then he also has some PA accounts. So I don't know which ones. They might not be in the picture. He might not have traded them yet today. I'm hungry. I think I need to go get a bagel. For sure. I need to go to the bagel shop and get a bagel. Crazy money. I'm practicing all weekend, yeah. It's there for the taking. Been a sweet add to my strategy. He said, I love gold. Yay, Gregory. And you got it twice today. Can we get some bacon and eggs and guacamole? Listen, we can't keep talking about food. I'm already hungry. All right, let's do a few more bloops here, and then I'm probably going to wrap it up. We're not in any trades at the moment. All of these for Brian. Took a step back today to regroup and refocus. Going to call it a week and enjoy this weekend. It's a win. Nice job, Brian. I like it. And listen, we try to be as transparent as possible here. Do we have losses? Yes. Do we typically win most days? Yes. But that doesn't mean we are invincible to the market. That doesn't mean there's no risk. That doesn't mean, we don't lose every now and then and that we don't get wrapped up in certain trades. Dell, $250 across all of his accounts. Nice job, Dell. Let's get some celebration in here. Some little fire signs. Had a decent morning. I'm going broke paying for Eva. He made $1,400. I love Ben. He's hilarious. I've never really talked to him in depth, and then we were talking the other night on Slack for such a long time, and we have such similar personalities where we're just like, fuck it, like, blah, blah, blah. Like, it's just so funny. And we were talking also about manually trading and some of our, downfalls or experiences there, and it was real relatable. So it's always nice when you can relate to someone in trading. Are you able to purchase the bot to pass your evaluation? Yes. Let that man cook. You can. So, and there's a 90% sale right now that's only for 6 more days. So just go to apextraderfunding.com, or you can use any prop firm that works with NinjaTrader. Click on sign up. It will take you to the bottom. The $50,000 accounts are the most popular ones. They're currently $17, $16.70 for a $50,000 cash account. You can pass evaluation in as little as 7 days after you make the profit goal, which is $3,000, and then you get a fully funded account. Once you have the fully funded account, you do get reset back to $50,000, and then once you're above that $53K again, all of that money's yours, but then you no longer have a trailing drawdown. That's the biggest thing. Once you've gotten to like $55,000 or $56,000 on your funded account, it's like just run the algorithm slow and steady, but you could run it on 1 mini or 2 minis and not risk your PA account, which is the biggest thing. Blue Knox has 90% off also. Is that another one? I've never heard of those. Blue Knox? What the hell is Blue Knox? The best thing about Apex is that you can have 20 accounts. I think that's what people like the most. And we kind of know what to expect with Apex at this point because so many of us have been using it since a year ago. That's when we started talking. But yeah, if you prefer Lilu or U Profit or One Profit or Take Profit, whatever they're called, you can use any of those. But all of the other ones, typically, at least the research that a lot of my members have done, are only allowing you to trade or have one account total. Three accounts total, not one. 3 accounts total. And so what would you prefer? The ability to have 20 accounts making you money every day or 3 accounts? So I think that's where your decision has to kind of come in. I'll stick with Apex, right? All right, so yeah, 90% sale there. Jen will be live at 2 p.m. this afternoon. Please follow this account because the other ones are in timeout because, I spit gum across my desk and then moderators don't like that. No. Sounds good. All right, have a good day. I have a good day. Look at this nice rejection from that weekly level. Be safe. Remember, I'm going to go buy, no joke, I'm going to go buy another 15. You can have 20 funded accounts, but you can have as many eval accounts as you want. So you could buy 30 eval accounts for $17 each. You can only ever have 20 funded accounts at one time. So keep that in mind. Jen will be back at 2 p.m. and we'll talk then. All right, have a good day. Bye, guys.